guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So today my look was largely inspired by none other than Maddy Perez.
First of all, ew. Second of all, ew.
So I feel like most of you know who she is. Most of you have been watching Euphoria. But yeah, can we just first take a moment and talk about how crazy the season has been? Like Nate and Cassie, who would have seen that coming?
Bitch, you better be joking.
But anyhow, yeah, the season's been filled with drama and of course looks. And this one was inspired by Maddy Perez's birthday look. And yes, before you guys come for me, I know it doesn't look exactly like her look. Her look was more focused on creating an extended wing, and I'm creating like a smoked out teal blue look. But I just have to let you guys know, because I have hooded monolids, a lot of times things I see and am inspired by don't necessarily translate to my eye shape. So a lot of times when I'm recreating looks, drawing inspiration, I'm also finding what works for my eye shape. And I think that's an important part of the whole process. So yeah, basically it's inspired by Maddy Perez. Also, I just want to know what you guys think about the whole Alexa Demi age controversy. My personal take is I don't think it's such a big deal. And hey, if she can pull it off, then props to her, quite honestly. So I just want to know what you guys think about that as well. But nevertheless, Alexa's gorgeous and everything looks really great on her. And yeah, this look was inspired by her birthday eye look. It's actually surprisingly quite simple to recreate and quite simple for a Euphoria makeup look, which I feel most of them are pretty intricate, complicated, and look like they would be time consuming. But this one is relatively simple. And yeah, I think it's overall a great look if you want to wear it for your own birthday celebrations or whatever special event you're going out to. I think just the black and the teal blue, they really contrast each other and they really make your eyes pop. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I create this look, then stay tuned and watch the tutorial. So the first step you want to do is go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done so. The next step I'm going to take is I'm going to prime my eyes using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And I'm going to go ahead and take a step that I've been doing in my previous videos, which is first taking an angled brush. And today I'm going to be using the Too Faced Clover palette. So I'm actually going to go in with that really dark shade of Wolf, and I'm going to go ahead and sketch out where I want to place the tape at. I think this just really helps make sure that the angles are more even. Okay, after that I'm going to go ahead and take some tape and apply it at an angle to both sides. So as mentioned, today I'm going to be using my Too Faced Clover palette. I'm going to first start off by dusting on a base shade of Chihuahua all over the lids. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and start concentrating the color Wolf along the outer edges. I'm just going to really smoke out the outer edges. impart that pop of blue, I'm going to go in with Spoiled. I'm actually going to use my finger again because I feel like with a lot of these very vibrant, glittery, metallic shades in the Too Faced palette, when you apply it with your finger versus a brush, I see a visible difference. So I'm going to give that a try. I'm going to concentrate it from the inner corners to the half of the lid, and I'm also going to bring some of it to the inner corners like Maddy did. I usually like to highlight the inner corners, but I noticed Maddy did not do that because she wanted like the main pop of color and focus to be on this teal blue. So instead, I'm going to actually take Cuteness Overload, this frosty shade, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. I'm actually also going to go back in and just kind of blend out, smooth out some edges, and add some more of the wolf color back. So not entirely sure that the eyeliner is really going to show up, but I'm going to go ahead and take my Pretty Easy Liquid Lining Pen in Clinique, and I'm going to draw an extended wing liner. I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape. So I'm actually going to take Best Friends, like this chromatic shade, and I'm going to bring some of it to the lower lash line. And I'm also going to take Woof and bring some of that to the lower lash line. Now I'm going to pop on some falsies using my Idole Natural Lashes. Okay guys, whew, lashes are on. I don't know about you guys, but do you ever feel like I literally take a 1 week break in between filming videos and all of a sudden everything that I learned and achieved from applying falsies just goes right out the window? And it feels like I'm just starting all over again, learning the process and struggling. I don't know, falsies to me, they are just an enormous obstacle. I don't think I'll ever be comfortable enough to apply them on a daily basis. Anyhow, I digress. So back to the video. I'm actually going to take an impromptu step and just go in with my MAC eye pencil and Teddy and just line the lower lash line. I just like to add a bit more like depth, especially since this is quite a smoky, like all about the eyes kind of look. Okay. And then after that, I am going to take my Lancome Hypnose Drama Mascara, and I'm going to apply some mascara to the lower lashes. Okay, and now I'm pretty much nearly done with the look. I feel like this is rather a simple look, especially by Euphoria makeup standards. I feel like most of the time those looks look so intricate and they look like they're going to, you know, take a lot of time. But this one's rather simple and subdued and actually quite ironic because Maddy usually wears some very extravagant, intricate makeup look. But anyhow, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish off the look with some blush. So I'm using again my Too Faced Sweetheart Perfect Flush Blush. And then I am going to apply some highlighter. And then for the lips, I'm actually going to use a more subdued shade just because I feel like I again went pretty ham on the eyes. So I'm going to use my Lancome Les Absolute Rouge Lipstick in Rose Amnesia. And yeah, this is the finished look. I think it's just a great look if you're going out or you just want to, again, level up your everyday eye look. And it's surprisingly easy to create, especially since it is a Euphoria makeup look. So I hope you guys get inspired, you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.